hello everyone and welcome back to Learning Phonics. I'm Apurva and in today's episode we are going to learn digraphs. Yes, we are going to learn digraph. Okay, so what are digraphs? What are digraphs? Digraphs are simply two letters together, okay? Two letters that come together and make one single sound one single sound or phoneme. Okay, so when two letters come together and make one single sound, it's called digraph. Okay, so the first type is a consonant digraph. And the second type is vowel digraph. Alright, so we have already seen vowel digraphs in our series where we have covered the long vowel sounds. So if you have not seen that video, I must tell you, please go and watch that first and then come to this video. Okay, so we have seen vowel digraphs like E, O, A, I, right? E. We have seen all these vowel digraphs. These are also called as vowel teams. Okay, just to explain it to your children, you can call them vowel teams or vowel digraphs. So now the question is, what are consonant digraphs? So in consonant digraphs, there are only going to be consonants like CH, CK, NG, PH, QU. So remember earlier I have told you that whenever there is a Q, U is always going to be there because they are best friends. So next one is SH, TH. There are two sounds of TH, WH. Alright. So these are the consonant digraphs. So first one we are going to see is CH. Okay, CH is going to say ch, as in first word we will see is b, e, ch, bench. Okay, first one is ch, b, n, ch, bench. Next one is ch, a. Ace is a. Champ. See how CH is saying the sound ch, champ. Next one we're gonna see is E. See, vowel team. EA is a vowel team. E, P, Ch, peach. Number 4. The ones who have been following me, you know this. So tell me, how many sounds does the vowel team EA makes? How many sounds does the vowel team EA makes? Comment down below. Okay. Ch, a, chant. And number 5, you can tell me all the words that you know which has the letters CH in it, which says ch. Okay. Number 2, number second we are going to have is CK. Okay, so the ones who have seen the first episode of Learning Phonics, where I have taught all the sounds, all the 44 plus sounds, okay, in that episode I have told you that C will make the sound, okay, K will also make the sound, and CK together will also make the sound. Okay, in Hindi we say kh, but in English when we say the sounds it's not kh. Okay, so here CK is also going to say As in first one we will see is b, a, back. All right. Number two we will see is br, I, brick. Number three will be cr, a, crack. See? And number four we will take a different one, that is tr, a, truck. See? And number five, I am not going to tell you because I am sure that all of you gonna tell me the words that has the CK letters which are gonna make the sound. Okay? So number third is going to be NG. NG is going to make the ng sound. Ng. Okay, there is a little sound of N and a little sound of G. Ng. So first one is going to be br, I, ng. Bring. See? Bring. Number two is going to be simple. We'll take k, I, ng. King. Three. Number three, z, I, ng. Zing. And number four will be r, I, ng. Ring. And number five, if you know any words that has ng in it, that makes the sound, comment them down below. All right. Next, number four is ph. Okay, so ph makes the sound, the sound that the letter f makes. Okay, as in phone. Number first we will take is ph. O consonant e, o, phone. See, phone. Number two is a, l, a, alpha. Okay, alpha. Number three will be phonics. Duh. A, I, phonics. See? Number four will be trophy. Tr, a, tro, I. See how Y is making here the I sound. Okay, and number five, please comment down below if you know any word that has the letters PH in it, which are going to say. Number five is going to be qu. Qu. So remember, as I have said earlier only, that Q and U are best friends. They are best friends. Okay. So whenever Q is there, U is always going to be there. There is no word which has a Q in it. There is no word that starts with Q and doesn't have U. Okay, so whenever there is a word that begins with Q, it's always going to have the letter U together because they are best friends. All right, let's see the examples. So the first one is going to be, so qua, Q-U, qua, a, quack. See how there is CK also, है ना? We have seen CK that makes the sound. Here we can see it. See, so quack. So next word we're going to see is queen. Qu, e, n. Queen. See how U is there? Number three, we're gonna see is quill. Qu, qu, e, l. Quill. Number four, we'll take the word that is quest. Qu, e, st. Quest. Quest. See? So number five, if you know any words that has the letters Q, U together, which makes the Q sound, and I'm sure you all know many words, comment down below. All right, moving on. Number sixth, we're gonna have is SH makes the sh sound. All right, SH makes the sh sound. First word we're gonna see is bl, sh, blush. See how SH is making the sh sound. Now it doesn't matter that it'll be in the end or in the beginning, okay? The words, these digraphs can come anywhere, okay? In the middle, in the beginning, in the end, doesn't matter. The sounds are going to be the same. Next one we're going to see is tr, ah, sh, trash. See? Number third is sh, or shop. See how SH is in the beginning, not in the end. In the first two words, it's in the end, but in the third word, it's in the beginning only. All right. Number four, we will be taking is shack. Ah, shack. See? And number five, I'm sure you know a lot of words. You can comment down below the words that you know which has sh, sh in it. Okay. So moving on, number seventh we have is th, that makes the th sound. Th. Okay, so th has two sounds. Okay, one is going to be the soft sound, and the other one is going to be the hard sound. Okay, so we will be covering it in another session, but there are two sounds. So one is th and the other one is the as in the or then cloth. See, like that. Okay, so we are going to see th number first. Th, I, g, thing. See now how th is there, ng is also there. See that digraph is also there. Okay, number two we are going to see is th, I, thin. See, now in these two words we have seen that th is in the beginning. Okay, it's not like you are always going to find it in the beginning or in the end. It is going to come anywhere. Okay, so third we are going to see is I, fifth. See, fifth. Number four we will see is a, mat. Okay, number five, I'm sure you know so many words, so please comment down below the words that you know that have th, that makes the th sound. Th. Okay, so I hope you all are taking notes, and if you are, you can write th here in the bracket so you know what sound it is. Okay, so last one, that is number 8. Okay, it is WH, that is making the V sound. V as in V. A consonant E is making the A sound. V, A, L, the consonant L. V. a l, whale. Okay. Number 2 is going to be v, e. So ea is making the e sound. So those who have seen the episodes of long vowel sounds must be knowing that ea has two sounds. So if you know, comment down below which sounds are they. Okay. So v, e, wheat. See, number 3 is v, I consonant E, I, white, white. Fourth one we will be taking is v, I, sk, whisk. See, whisk. So sk is a blending consonant blend. Okay, so sk is a consonant blend. Wh is a digraph. Whisk. And number 5, I know you all know so many words. You can comment down below the words that has WH letters that makes the W sound. So here we have completed the digraph series. Alright, so we have seen all the digraphs. First one was CH, that said ch as in bench. CK said k as in back. NG said ng as in bring. PH said as in QU said qu as in quack. SH said sh as in blush. TH said th as in thing. WH said w as in whale. Alright, so I hope all of you have understood. So if this video has helped you in any way, please hit the like button and share this with your friends and subscribe to Learning Phonics. Until next time, peace.